Greetings, tribe. This is Fadayz from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching The Path Less Traveled 16. It is 7:28 p.m., April 7th, 2019. And I'm just sitting here thinking, what happened to honesty? What happened to being 100% real? Out of nowhere, conversations just became brittle. Just overnight, boom. I remember in high school and shortly after high school, you asked somebody a question and they were brutally honest, yet it was real and you grew from that. That created real conversation. You would sit and talk to that person and that person would tell you why they said what they said, and you continue to ask questions and the rabbit hole would get deeper and deeper. But from that, you learned so much more. You became so much stronger. That person became so much more important to you because they were real. Anytime you had a question about what happened in a situation that you were in, or something you did, or something you reacted to, they would be real with you. Nowadays, people make up excuses, or they don't reply back, or they act like they didn't see or hear what happened, and that's just not my realm. So what I'm saying is this. For all of you who have been brutally honest with me since the day I met you, much respect. I salute you. I give you the highest respect that one can give, honorably. I really respect that. This is not something that I wrote down. This is just something that I wanted to speak out freely. What happened to being real?
You are the adventure you seek.